Service has just activated the warning alarm as a test. If you're in dangerous weather situations, specially built radios are activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the warning alarm tone are normally conducted every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. If severe weather threatens the area near the normal test time, the test will be postponed until the first good weather day. The warning alarm tone will be activated for watches, warnings, and selected statements affecting specific counties based on the transmitter you are listening to. For exact coverage areas, please check our internet webpage. Receipt of the warning alarm tone will vary at any given location, especially at greater distances from the transmitter and in large buildings. This concludes the weekly warning alarm test. We now return to our normally scheduled programming. This is NOAA Weather Radio WXK 41 in Rochester, broadcasting on a frequency of 162.475 megahertz from the National Weather Service Office in La Crosse, Wisconsin. The current time is 11:11 a.m. Central Standard Time. At 11 a.m. at the Rochester International Airport, it was sunny. The temperature was 9 degrees with 2.3. Humidity 77%. The wind was...
Okay. Let's review what radios went off. The Radio 10 went off. The 74 109, I believe. No, it's not 109. I think it's the 110. I can't exactly remember the name of this one. Let's see. It's the 140. The 247, I think it'd be. The 247A. The, 240. The HH. The Variant 120. This one is unplugged and not running batteries. So the 262 went off. This 120 went off. The Recon. The 74-200 went off. All of these rated the 259. This 120. The 2 SFA 100. ER310, ER10, ER50. This one, the 245, the 249, 250, and I believe the 251 went off. And yeah.
This is NOAA Weather Radio KJY80 in Red Wing.
I think that's some technical
Broadcasting on
difficulties
a
they have.
frequency of 162.450
That's
megahertz.
just some like technical
This
difficulties
broadcast
that just
originates from
happened.
the National